This is a really exciting time because we are launching a new music and worship program that's starting this fall. And this program is very exciting as it will allow students to gain some practical experiential learning opportunities that will help serve them in different worship music leadership positions. So in the past, Redeemer's music program has traditionally been a performance-oriented program with traditional theory courses, traditional oral skills, music history, and so on. This program includes an increased number of experiential learning opportunities for students right away from the first year of the program up to the fourth year when they graduate. I'm excited for the pairing of the music department with the rest of Redeemer, integrating the music department even more with chapel involvement, with local musical events, and also within the greater Hamilton area. So with this program, we want to facilitate students' development as well-rounded musicians, as innovative, collaborative, problem-solving, critical thinkers who can show the love of Christ in whatever calling that they find themselves in and that they choose to pursue following their time at Redeemer.